Good day, everyone. My name is Jerlyn Soliguen of BSECE 3A. So, for today, I'm going to present to you my performance task number 2 in ECE 23 Communication 2 Modulation and Coding Techniques. So, what are the topics to be discussed in this performance? So, the discussion for this performance will cover first, what is line coding, second, determining the line coding schemes, and lastly, 80-60 operation. So, what is line coding? It is the process of converting digital data to digital signals. Line coding converts a sequence of bits to a digital signal. A line code is the code used for data transmission of a digital signal over a transmission line. This process of coding is chosen so as to avoid overlap and distortion of signals, such as intersymbol interference. Line coding, or also called as digital baseband modulation or digital baseband transmission, is a process carried out by a transmitter that converts data in the form of binary digits into a baseband digital signal that will represent the data on a transmission line. The transmission line in question could be linked between two devices in a computer network, or it could form part of a much larger telecommunication network. The receiver is responsible for converting the incoming line coded signal back into the binary data. Line coding scheme. So, line coding scheme is composed of five schemes. First is unipolar. So, in unipolar, it consists of NRZ, while in polar, it consists of NRZ, RZ, and biphase, the Manchester and differential Manchester. Next is the bipolar, which consists of AMI and pseudo-ternary. Next is the multi-level, which consists of 2B, IQ, 8B, 6D, and 4D PAM 5. And lastly, the multi-transition of MLT-3. So, we'll go to the multi-level, and one of the topics that I'm going to discuss here is the 8B60. So, 8B60 is a multi-level line coding scheme. We want to look at is the 8B60, which can also be classed as a multi-level scheme despite the fact that it says only three signaling levels. 8B60 is rather unusual coding scheme that uses three-level pulse amplitude modulation to code a block of 8 binary digits into a sequence of 6 signaling elements. The 8B60 converts of 8 bits of data into 6 signal elements using 3 levels of signal V's, plus VE, minus VE, and 0. It is a sequence of 8 binary digits has only 256 possible permutations, or 228 is equals to 256, whereas there are 729 ways in which 6 ternary signals level combined. 36 is equals to 729. This leaves 473 redundant signaling combination that can be used to provide synchronization and error detection capabilities, as well as ensuring that the signal output is balanced with respect to DC. So this is a portion of 8B60 code table. As you can see here, the 60 code group and the data octet, and this is the basis if you're gonna solve the 8B60. So it is a multi-level line coding scheme used to encode M data elements into pattern of N signal elements. The 8B60 converts 8 bits of data into 6 elements using 3 levels of signal VIZ. positive VE, negative VE, and 0. This code is used in 100 base 40 cable. So, as you can see here, this is the example of a multi-level 8B60 tape, multi 8B60 figure. So, 8 bits data is converted into 6 signal elements using 3 levels, 0, negative, and positive of signal. This is an example also of 8B60 encoding that uses 3 states to describe the binary data. You can see the guide here, the A, B, and C, but we are actually using right now is the A method. So this is the end. Thank you for listening and see you guys next time. Bye!